welcome to tonight's lightning ball draw. Today I had a bit of a laugh off earlier. Sorry. First ball out, number 59. Second ball out, why have none of the balls moved? Oh, whoops. Number 77. Third ball out, number 68. Fourth ball out, number 4. Fifth ball out, number 40. Sixth and final number is number 17, worst number. And the lightning ball is 49. Those numbers again in ascending order are 4, 17, 40, 59, 68, and 77. And the lightning ball is 49. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you all in a minute for the rest of the draws. Bye.